In the month of August, we were able to get our client Farron's over 50 million views for his game Steal the Brain Rot. In doing that, we were able to track that 2 million plays came strictly to get secret codes, which they could only find through the content, which in Fortnite equates to a big chunk of change. In this video, I'm going to be going over the process of what we did to be able to capitalize on this opportunity and bring in over 50 million views. As you can see here, this is August 2025, 34 million views on YouTube. And then all of these most popular videos on TikTok are either in July and August as well. And if I show you here, you can see from July to the end of August, we got a total on YouTube of 53 million views and 50,000 subscribers. And this is where our world record short came in. They got like 25 million views, 22 million views just in those 2 months. But if we look through this here, you can see that like the average views of all of these videos are extremely high, right? So this was when Steal a Brain Rot on Roblox was popping off. And then this is when this map came out and blew up on Fortnite. So as you can see, I'll set this to be just in August. As you can see, a ton of our videos got millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views. And then if we go on the TikTok, this was made in August, 5.2 million views. This was made at the end of July. This one has millions of views. This one was made in August, 7 million views. Yeah, you get the point. 4 million views, 4 million views. Yeah, so this isn't luck. The reason all this was able to go so well is because there's a very clear content plan of what to do on content that people would care about. So before we had this really big opportunity, we've been operating already for around 2 years. So we had a lot of knowledge. This was definitely one of our first really big case studies other than another client. So we knew that this was going to be crazy, right? Like I had that feeling in my gut that this was going to be my best case study with running my company so far. And it came out to be true, as you can see here with all these views. Like we've gotten over 200, probably like 200 million views just for them. If I show you here, the all-time statistics on this page is all-time views is 120 million. So a little bit of backstory on us. I've been doing content since I was 14 years old when I was a professional Fortnite player. So that was 8 years ago, and I was doing it for all my friends. After that, dropped out of school, started doing content for content creators, and that didn't make enough money. I had to take 10 clients to even make decent money in a month. And then Fortnite Creative 2.0 came out in March of 2023, I believe. So 3.5 years ago at this point, or maybe 2.5 years ago, one of those. But yeah, 3.5 years ago, I think. And ever since then, I went all in on Fortnite Creative. By the end of 2023, we were only working with creative map clients. And for the last like 2.5 years out of the last couple of months, we're only doing Fortnite. My whole goal was to just be the absolute best at UGC for Fortnite. And now we're able to do that. Like we have all the biggest clients in the entire space. We've gotten the best results, the most views on a single video. I've gotten over 700 million views at this point, all organically through content. And with me is a team of 15. I have a lot of OGs on my team. Shout out to all of the people at Next Level that have been here with me. Most of them have been with me for the last 2 years plus. Most people think that they can just hire one social media person and get really good results. But there comes to be a lot of problems with that because it's not just editing that happens when you make content, especially organic content, which takes the most skill and time. So what goes into this team, right, is you need someone who does the ideas, someone who does the scripts, someone who does the footage, someone that's editing the video, someone that's reviewing the edits and meeting with them to make that better, as well as me. I was doing all the scripts at the time, so there's no one meeting with me to make the content better, you know. But, there's just all these little components that go into making the best content you possibly can. And when you have just one person, there's a lot of things that can go wrong. And why all of this was able to work so well, why we've been able to get this many views and grow that channel from 0 to 100K, which has got me a YouTube plaque that's sitting here, plus 0 to 200K, 28,000 followers on Instagram, not bad. The reason all this happened was because this was a ginormous thing, right? Like we all know that Steal a Brain Rot broke the charts on Roblox. It's like made the most money in a year out of any Roblox game, I'm pretty sure. Like this was a ginormous thing, and it still is a big thing, the brain rot. It obviously has died down now, but in 2025, this was really big. And if you want to see kind of the process of how we were able to do this, I can pull up our team Notion. So this is where we get all of our videos done, right? Like you can see all the videos that we have for today for all of our clients. I can go in here and show you guys actually like how this is all organized, right? So basically how this works is we keep everything organized on here. We also have multiple meetings a week, of course, to make sure everything's on track. But if you go through here, the video will go from idea to needs revision. Well, in the beginning, needs revision whenever I had to review my scriptwriter stuff. Now we just meet. And then needs editor, and then in drive. And then that's when it's ready to post for the poster. And then you can see like who does what, right? You can see who's doing what job here. But yeah, this is an entire database of all of our stuff. We have all of the videos that we've ever posted for Steal the Brain Rot on here, and it is a lot of videos. Like I could continue scrolling through here forever. But when we get here, this is in August, whenever we were going crazy. And like, it's just really cool to look back at, because this was, you know, a very crazy time at Next Level for us, because this was a crazy opportunity. One of the biggest things I've learned from this, like, organization is very important. Like, we used to be a team where shit was delayed all the time and it was really annoying. It's just growing pains. And now we're getting to a point where everything is just on time at all times, ready to go. But yeah, the easiest like way to explain how we're even able to do this, like I feel like a lot of people have like misconceptions about marketing agencies, which I don't blame you, right? Like a lot of people like to hire in-house, but like, I mean, just from my experience, right? Because I care a lot about what I do. It's like, if you hire someone that's actually really good at what they do, like a team, it takes a lot of stress off you. Like Farron's literally loves working with us because he does not have to worry about content at all, because he knows it's getting handled. If you don't want to hire in-house though, you know, and deal with the headache of, oh, your account shadow banned or videos are declining in views and all of these small little things, and you'd want to get a process behind your game like this, because obviously for a month before this game even came out, we had a whole list of content ready to go that we were going to do. We were making content before the game even came out. Like, we were ready to go, locked in, because the Roblox one was already doing good. There was hundreds of pieces of content that we were already able to look at to get something that was going to work. Like our first video on this page got 700,000 views. And then 800,000, 2 million, like every single video on this page just went crazy off the bat. But yeah, if you want to get a process like this behind your game, you can definitely check out our website. You can see all my case studies. I've documented my business journey since before this, since the beginning of 2025 into 2024. I've been documenting everything that we've done, all the case studies, all the work. It's all on the website if you want to check it out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.